1. Boxing. Not to fight the world, but to fight the version of yourself that gives up too early. Every punch sharpens your rhythm, your timing, and your courage. It teaches you something deep. You are far more capable than the doubts inside your head. 2. Reading. Most boys scroll, men learn. One book can save you years of trial and error. It transfers someone else's lifetime of lessons into your hands, helping you think better, act wiser, and grow faster. 3. Weightlifting. Not for aesthetics, but for discipline. The iron never lies. It teaches you that strength is not gifted. It's earned, slowly, painfully, and consistently, one rep at a time. 4. Chess. A silent battlefield where your mind learns strategy, patience, and clarity. It teaches you to stay calm even when everything around you tries to distract or overwhelm you. 5. Calisthenics. The art of controlling your own body. Pull-ups, dips, handstands, no machines, no shortcuts, just discipline and consistency, reminding you that limits aren't meant to be accepted, they're meant to be challenged. 6. Communication. Learning to speak clearly and confidently changes everything. It earns respect, opens doors, and teaches you how to stand your ground when your voice wants to shake. 7. Running. You're not running away from anything. You're running toward the version of yourself that refuses to break when discomfort shows up. It builds endurance, both physically and mentally. 8. Journaling. Writing your thoughts forces you to face yourself honestly. It clears mental noise, sharpens decisions, and slowly builds self-awareness, the foundation of real growth. 9. Learn a high-income skill. Copywriting, sales, web design, video editing. Skills that print money while others wait for permission. Master one, and you'll never beg for opportunity again. You'll create it. 10. Content creation. Not for fame, but for leverage. When you create, you train your mind to think clearly, speak boldly, and move people with ideas. One post can reach millions while you sleep. In a world where attention is power, the creator always wins. Pick one. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.